Hi guys, Cruise Control Mark's Garage. So guys, napakaganda nito guys. Fortuner 2.5. Nag-install tayo ng cruise control plus illumination na cruise control. Check natin guys. D4D. Check natin guys. 2.5 ito guys. Oh, di ba? 2.5 engine, cruise control, illumination yan guys. Ayan o. Para mapatayin yung ilaw. Ito na guys yung cruise control, oh. Naka-off na yan, ha. Ayan. Illumination cruise control yan guys, oh. Oh, di ba? Off. Pag in-off mo si park light, mamamatay rin siya. Off. Ayan. Patay si park light. Open natin yung park light. Ayan. Mag-open na yung cruise control. Oh, yan guys, oh. 2.5 engine, manual automatic transmission. Oh, ha? Fortuner 2.5. Ngayon, magte-testing tayo ng cruise control. 2.5 engine, Fortuner with illumination cruise control. Ayan. Okay. Hello guys, Cruise Control Mark's Garage. Ito, magte-testing na kami ng 2012 2.5 Fortuner cruise control. Nakaset na yun, sir. Ayan guys, oh. Cruise control. Ayan, activated na siya. Tapos hindi nakapak sa gas pedal. Ayan guys, maintain yung speed. Tapos mag-speed up. Ayan guys, 50 kph. Ayan guys, oh, hindi umapak yun sa gas. Tapos yung cruise control, illumination yan guys, oh. Kaya lang di kita. Guys, working guys yung cruise control dito sa 2.5 2012 automatic transmission. Dito lang yan guys sa Cruise Control Mark's Garage. Yeah.